And the only reason a situation feels overwhelming is because how I see myself is as somebody who can't handle that situation. A huge change in my life has begun to begin to see myself as being able to handle the situations in life that, again, as I say in 12-step programs, that used to baffle me, that used to overwhelm me, because I didn't think I could handle it. And it was just going to be painful, it was going to be unpleasant, and there was nothing I could do about it. Now this goes back to what we talked about in chapter 3 when we talked about taking responsibility. And I said, a light bulb moment for me was the realization that nobody makes me feel anything, good or bad. Nobody has that power over me to make me think, feel, say, or do anything. Yet most of my life, I blamed everybody else for what I thought, what I felt, what I said, and what I did. Because I wasn't even really aware. I was always in such a reactive state. I never really realized that, no, I have a choice. Even if somebody is being a jerk, I still have a choice as to how I respond to that or how I react to it. And when I'm reacting, I'm not conscious, I'm not aware, I'm not deliberately choosing. Now I said taking responsibility for my thoughts, feelings, words, and actions is a precursor to me having the power to change those things. Because as long as it's everybody else's fault that I think what I think, that I feel what I feel, that I say what I say and do what I do, I don't have any power to change that. I have to wait for them to change so I can think differently, so I can feel differently, so I can act differently and speak differently. Good luck with that.